how long will XRP stay at high prices? Once there's enough liquidity in XRP and they start using it, the volume that will move over the network will hold it at a high stable value. And that's what will give the asset credibility and backing and low risk for the BIS to designate it a tier one asset, which is what I do believe we're going to see XRP designated here in Q2. Potentially. I do think it needs to be a high stable price before the BIS will give it a tier one designation. Could they come out and designate it a different class first? Sure. But I do think once it hits those high prices and we do see consistent volume over the network, you'll basically be backing the asset by global trade and market making. So the back end settlement of the stock market, FX market, commodities, Swift, like if all of those parties are choosing XRP and the XRPL to settle, which I believe they will be, that's unless all of those things collapse at one time and pretty much we have nuclear Armageddon or, some other circumstance where the world stops trading and they can't once they're on the network, by the way, like there's underground bunkers that hold the nodes and it wouldn't matter what was going on. The trading would always be trading. So it's basically foolproof once it's at scale and working. And we will see high stable prices for XRP really in perpetuity after we see this next jump in my